Hi, good morning. Welcome to Amber's Garden Corner. I'm Amber, and today we're going to investigate the potatoes. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure this is spent, so we have a little bit of growth and I don't think it'll do much good, and everything else is pretty much died back, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a dig around and we'll see how we do. Well, so I guess I will get scoopfuls out and I'm going to put it in here and then we'll dig it in and see how it goes. So how I'm going to be digging out these potatoes is I have a very big pitchfork. And I will be digging it just underneath, hopefully where the potatoes are, and lifting up the composted mulch. So it's pretty light and airy because of the sawdust that's in it, and I have gloves on. So let's get to picking. So potatoes like this one, see how there's a green? You don't want to eat that green part. If you just cut that off, you can eat the rest of it. The green part's actually poisonous. If you're not going to eat them right off, do not wash them. Take them, set them aside. Let them, if there's any moisture on them, finish drying out. And then you can store them in a nice damp, cool, or not damp, a nice, cool, dark space. So I wanted to show you, this is the composted wood chips that I used to cover it up. As you can see, it's very crumbly and easily to work out. I really liked how it harvested it out of there, other than having to dig out the dirt and dig around the dirt all around it. And for the potato, that kind of just crumbled right off, and I had a delicious little potato. Well, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we hope to hear from you. Have an awesome day. After the first initial digging, looks like I get about 13.5 pounds almost. 13.34. Not bad.